It is I, Johnny Heikinashi, the great on these Wall Street charts, swinging open the doors to our 21-day prop firm challenge success workshop. And guess what? It's absolutely free. No credit cards needed. This is your golden ticket to mastering the prop firm challenge. Imagine getting your hands on a powerful indicator that will help you get funded, diving into a video game that teaches you how to trade, and receive personal tutoring from yours truly. All without spending a dime. The question I asked you, Grasshopper. Ready for a transformation that books or YouTube videos or online trading video courses can't offer you? Tap that link. Join a community where the ambitious become profitable traders.
Microphone check 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, y'all. It is I, Johnny Heikinashi, the great on these Wall Street charts, futures trader extraordinaire, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to transfer over from the futures market. How to transfer from the scammy, scummy, downfalling Forex market into a market that is regulated, where you're not going to get slipped to hell, as they would say in you guys' industry. Let's slip them to hell, Charlie. Okay, where the broker isn't trying to SA you, and it's more regulated. It's far easier to understand. Simple. We have the best platform, easy to understand. I'm going to teach you all of that right here. Setting a timer for 5 minutes, Alexa. Okay, my timer's been set for 5 minutes, so I'm going to try to make these in 5 minute increments. All right, so first thing we're going to go over is our platform. Okay, as you can see here, this is your dashboard. This is your trader dashboard. Okay, in this dashboard is very sensitive information. As you can see, sensitive information over here. I have it blocked out because I'm shooting this video, and this is personal information that is, I don't know if I can be scammed or what, but a lot of you guys know I pass prop firm challenges for people. They pay me, and I just go in and I pass the challenge for them. And they get funded. So I don't want to get caught, because a lot of companies don't like that you do that, but I do it anyway, and I can care less about these prop firms. So I got to keep that hidden. But your personal information is over here. Your buying power will be here. Okay. Over here tells you how much money the account is in value, like your margins. Over here is how much money you have in the account. So cash value. This account I have 100K, 150K, 3. I have 26,600 bucks there, $26,700 in this account. Okay, we're just racking up the money, because the futures market is really easy to trade. As you can see, look how easy it is to see the trends in our market. Now, what we're going to do is next over here, none of this stuff really matters. Okay, you just really need to know what your net liquidity is, which will be right here, and how much how much money you're trading with. So like, let's say I were going to buy off of this swing here. Here's where you would select sim account, but let's say we're going to buy real quick, right? And
order filled.
We hit the buy button. Okay, and as you can see, boom, it lights up right there. And this is obviously a sim account. It'll say it right here, simulation. Okay, as you see, the simulation account is moving. We're going up in profit, or we're going down in profit, and it tells you right here. Okay, isn't that awesome? And remember, I told you, okay,
order canceled.
We'll go over that in another video. I know you were thinking like, whoa, what was that? That was awesome. You just made $400. That's okay. That's called an ATM, automatic transaction. Okay. ATMs are what I live my life by. If you want to learn how to do this, I offer a community where I teach all of this for free for my first 250 people to sign up to the community for free, no credit card needed. So we'll get into that later. Like I said, I only have 5 minutes before my bell goes off, and I want to show you as much as I can. So this is pretty much essentially your dashboard. You would go here and you would create whatever it is you need for what you like to trade with. You know, your indicators, your charts, what charts you want to trade with, what instrument you're looking for, your add-ons, your bots, your whatever. Anything you're looking for is going to be over in this box here, where it has new, your tools, your workspace. This is where you connect to your prop firms and other things of such to help. Okay. And this is awesome because it helps you with the stopping of your accounts if your account were to freeze and things were to go wrong for you, and maybe you lose signal or something like that, which is really awesome. So you don't end up in a sticky situation. Okay, now moving down, this is the platform. So like you guys it's kind of like MetaTrader, but better and way more advanced and simpler and easier to use. Okay, if we'll start from the top, we have our chart. Over here, we'll have the instrument that I'm trading. I enjoy trading the NQ, okay, which is the NASDAQ. Over here, we have this thing called expirations. So 3/24. So January, February, March 2024, okay, is when this would expire. Our contracts typically last for 3 months. And then there's a whole new update, and we have to change these numbers to the next numbers, which would probably be 6, right? So 3 in 3 months, 3-month increments, 6/24, okay? That's just how the futures works. Don't ask me why or how, but that's what it does. Okay. The next one over is going to be our time frames. Okay. So here we get to discuss what time frames we want to trade in. 1 minute, seconds. You can do range. You can do ticks. You can do volume. You can do daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. And here's a little secret. You can even do this thing here, which gets closer. All right, that's our mark, 5 minutes. Okay, I'll shoot another video and I'll be back in another 5 minutes and we'll pick up where we left off. Let's go, Freedom Nation. Or anyone who wants to join the Freedom Nation and come over here and trade these futures, which is so easy and simple to get this bag with.